upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse faster than you can say, "What did I just buy?" Today, we have a showdown that's steamier than a sauna on a hot summer day. We're pitting the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop against the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop. Will it be a battle of the titans or a mop-off of the century? Let's find out. Let's dive into the price category first. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, which some reviewers feel is justified due to its professional cleaning power. One reviewer mentioned they've bought the Shark Mop 3 times over the past decade, indicating they see value in its performance. On the flip side, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at just $49. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and reliability, making it a great choice for those looking to save money. If you're on a budget and want to keep your floors cleaner than your ex's excuses, BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. Next, let's talk about heat-up time. The Shark takes about 30 seconds to get ready, which is pretty standard. The BLACK+DECKER also heats up in about the same time, making both mops equally efficient in this regard. However, some users noted that waiting for a mop to heat up can be a bit of a hassle, so it's good to know they both perform similarly in this category. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty cleaning power. The Shark Steam Pad is designed to blast away dirt and grime effectively. Reviewers have praised its ability to clean tough stains and grease, making it a favorite for those with challenging cleaning tasks. However, the BLACK+DECKER also shines in this area, boasting its capability to clean sealed surfaces without harsh chemicals. One user highlighted how it effectively lifts dirt off their wood floors, proving its effectiveness. So if you're looking to battle the toughest stains, the Shark might have the edge. But for versatility and a chemical-free clean, BLACK+DECKER is a solid choice. Let's talk design. The Shark has a classic mop look, but the BLACK+DECKER features a swivel head that allows it to maneuver easily around furniture and tight corners. Reviewers have noted that the BLACK+DECKER's design makes it a breeze to clean under couches, while the Shark's more traditional design can be a bit cumbersome in those areas. If you've ever tried to clean under a couch, you know it's like trying to fit a giraffe in a Volkswagen. The BLACK+DECKER makes it look easy. Now, let's tackle the cord length. The BLACK+DECKER has a 12-foot cord, providing plenty of reach for cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially in larger spaces. The Shark also has a cord, but its length is less emphasized by users, with some even suggesting the need for an extension cord. The BLACK+DECKER is like that friend who's always ready for a road trip. Unlimited runtime for all your cleaning adventures. Overall, both mops have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is often praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities and durability, while the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop stands out for its affordability and ease of use. However, the Shark's higher price point raises some concerns about value for money compared to the budget-friendly BLACK+DECKER, which has received mixed reviews regarding its design and longevity. So who wins this mop-off? If you're looking for professional cleaning power and don't mind shelling out some cash, go for the Shark. But if you want versatility, a quick heat-up time, and a price that won't break the bank, BLACK+DECKER is your trusty sidekick. In conclusion, whether you're Team Shark or Team BLACK+DECKER, just remember to clean those floors before your in-laws come over. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.